Alisha, good points, enunciated there by Major General Jaini, that Bipin Rawat was a person who thought of, the country as one unit, and that's exactly the trait, the character that a CDS needs to possess.
Absolutely, Vinit, and I would say the character which the CDS General Bipin Rawat possessed, he owes it all to the person who stood by him, who was his pillar of strength, his wife, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat. Now, my heartfelt condolence to the bereaved families of the 13 brave hearts. I would like to take the names individually. Brigadier L.S. Leader, Colonel H. Singh, Wing Commander P.S. Chauhan, Squadron Leader K. Singh, Junior Warrant Officer Das, Junior Warrant Officer Pradeep A. Havaldar Satpal, Nayak Good Sevak Singh, Nayak Jitendra, Lance Nayak Vivek, Lance Nayak Teja. Vinit, let me tell you one thing, that whatever the CDS was, my father had written a book and he had presented it to CDS. And CDS particularly, when he opened it, he liked one page in that. That was the initial page was a poem dedicated to wives. My father had written this poem for my mother, and that General Bipin Rawat particularly immediately read it straight away, and he read it loud. Now, I would like to read that poem, a few lines from that. Just listen to this. And I'm sure all of us would be able to relate with it, every single person, not just a Fauji, even a civilian. My wife, embodiment of grace and virtue, my wife. A pillar of strength, my support, my life. A person who's faced all perils by my side, never wincing to face the oncoming tide. Her sole aim, to care for our children, for she has labored tirelessly on that score. Frugal with herself, she generously gave the best to family with what she could save. A homemaker, decorator, an excellent cook, has the ability to read any person like a book. Her counsel, sane advice, she could never be lost. Ignored at great peril and immeasurable loss. 45 years together, what a blissful and fulfilling life. May Almighty bestow blessings on you, dear wife. May you retain your strength and verve. You've done your bit. It's my time to serve. Let me tell you, in the army, in the defense forces, the wife is always considered 2 ranks more senior to the husband. And as per the protocol, unwritten protocol, if a general enters the officer's mess and a lieutenant, which is the junior most rank in the army of an officer, a lieutenant wife is there, the general will salute the lieutenant's wife and call her ma'am. Now that is the chivalry and the respect we give to the ladies of the armed forces. And let me tell you one thing, all the men, all the other 12 men who have lost their lives, their wives would be, their sisters, their mothers would be grieving, yes. But let me tell you, where else can a man die better than facing fearful odds for the ashes of his fathers and the temples of his gods? So they all lived a life extraordinary. They went from this earth in an extraordinary way. They would be looking at us, smiling with blessings, showering upon every one of us. Now, having said that, Vinit, I draw a lot of parallels from General Bipin Rawat to Lieutenant General Zahiruddin Shah, who was also GOC 3 Corps. Incidentally, General Jaini was BGS 3 Corps. He would approve the flights, the helicopters. He would give the final approval if the helicopter, after the RNO flight, would actually give it whether it's bad or not. Now 3 Corps is a very dangerous place. Over there, in the sense that the climate keeps changing. But the general was of the view that we should never pressurize the pilot just because we are senior in rank, that we should take off from here or there. The pilot is the captain of the ship. He's the boss at the moment. So I would like to quickly conclude by saying, when you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today Jai Hind. Thank you.